воды пиздец. Вот ебать. Ебал я в рот. Бедный. Hey yo.
Am I gonna regret standing here?
We are removing this old cage from this car. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. At least they coped it. Oh my god. And they welded the backside, barely. Oh, on top of that, it's ERW tubing. And there's this other side. And we didn't quite reach the floor over there, so let's just go ahead and add in a spacer. And I guess floor plates are non-existent on this. Aww. Oh, the backside is not even welded. Yep. Got the old chipping hammer out. Oh my god.
Quality.
Well, the good news is we won't have to grind the floor down because it didn't even penetrate. Watch your eyes, because it's just shooting everything up.
Nice.
That's good.
Oh yeah. That's good stuff.
Solid. Don't worry, I got it out, guys. Got the main hook.
I guess they penetrated that into the chassis a little bit. That's good.
Should I give him a chop? I'll give you a
Then the GTR.
That's why he's getting the rat Oh my god.
Go forward. It's looking good. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right.
Agencies believe Afghanistan's capital Kabul could fall to Taliban control in as little as 3 months.
I am going to pull my dinky U-Haul trailer in the left lane above its rated maximum speed on an extremely high winds day with nobody in front of me for almost an 1/8 mile, thereby blocking everybody else in the left lane. Oh, it just fell off! Oh my god, it's gone! Oh my god, it's gone! I am now an empty U-Haul trailer. Do you think he noticed? Do you think he noticed? Hey, you might want to look back there. Because you don't have a box anymore, buddy.
He gave this fool a parking ticket. Look at this. What? 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 An unintended vehicle. In an unintended vehicle. Bro, come on. This guy was not having a good day.
Where'd you get that?
Huh?
Where did you get that?
New Jersey.
From who?
I don't know who he is.
Did you order that?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
क्या वीडियो बनाई है हमने भाई
You made an illegal stop. Do you have a license?
Yeah.
This one? The temporary one?
Yeah, I lost my other one.
Why'd you take the doors off?
This door wouldn't close, so it would swing open. I drove around like that for a day, and then that door jammed. And he's always with me, so I was like, dude, we're just gonna take the doors off. And we went to Texas Law, and we're like, well, everything else works. Yeah, let's do it. Because when it gets hot, it'll feel great.
We went to Walmart and we picked up a reciprocating saw with a metal cutting bit.
Yeah. Where's your helmet?
Oh, I don't have one yet.
No? That's law, dude.
It is?
Nah, I'm just messing with you.
Well, actually, I ordered the Predator helmet, so.
There you go.
Just to be weird.
How can I help you?
Yeah, my buddy here, he's your neighbor, but his...
Absolutely.
Was he?
This my head. What? What's wrong?
Hang on.
Morning, this
He's saying that...
Me eat Linasha. Me eat food.
He's
Me
upset.
sleep food.
Clee.
What is he saying?
He's upset because your car's making a lot of noise. He's saying when he's trying to sleep, eating breakfast, all he hears is your car all the time.
Tell him it's a race car. There's nothing I can do.
It's not a sibak nila. You're the sibak.
Yalla, this drive, no race.
Mara, he's saying it's too loud. I don't know. He's saying, what are you trying to say? Look at that.
This street. Ooh, beep.
Listen,
try, kuya. Little race.
He's saying don't drive fast.
I don't drive fast. The car is loud.
No, my head.
What? Ding, 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 ding. Be quiet. What's wrong with your head? No. Yeah, but too much.